Good Wednesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. In intense low-pressure systems working up the Bering Sea coast just outside of Norton Sound at 956 millibars this afternoon. That's bringing high wind warnings across the Norton Sound coast until 10 o'clock. Expect gusts to 60 miles an hour. That could continue until the early evening hours and diminishing late tonight. High wind warnings also for the Yukon Delta until 10 o'clock, with strong gusts continuing through the remainder of the afternoon. And blizzard warnings continue until 6 for the St. Lawrence Island and Bering Strait coast, including areas around Savunga with visibility below a quarter of a mile and total accumulations of about 3 to 5 inches of snow. High winds are also going to be an issue for the upper Koyukuk and Yukon Flats region. Look for those winds to be strong from the south and southeast. The central interior also under a high wind warning until 9 o'clock tonight with damaging wind gusts possible. The upper Kuskokwim should see some improvements in the wind as we head into the evening and overnight hours there. High wind warnings have been in effect for most of the day, and wind advisories for the Deltana and Tanana Flats region as well as the eastern Alaska Range passes. And it looks like a winter weather advisory will continue from 9 o'clock tonight until noon tomorrow for areas north of Glen Allen for a chance of freezing rain and snow with accumulations from 2 to 5 inches. Small stream flood advisories are posted for the Anchor River around Anchor Point along the western Kenai Peninsula, and high surf advisories will remain in effect around Bristol Bay for a little longer this afternoon. In the meantime, storm warnings are out tonight through Thursday morning for the eastern Gulf of Alaska up to the outer coast of southeast, and looks like gales will be working their way into the inner channels there as strong winds start to cross a larger part of the Gulf of Alaska itself. Thursday's forecast shows warmer weather lifting northward. In fact, so warm today that Fairbanks set a record high of 45 degrees. Low pressure sitting south and west of Kodiak Island at 955 degrees for Friday will send another surge of wind and warmth northward, probably not quite as windy across south central as it had been earlier this morning. Periods of rain and snow should be expected across Bristol Bay and parts of the Kuskokwim Delta working northward as we head into the weekend, and rain will continue to work its way eastward toward southeastern Alaska with periods of snow and a winter storm warning for the Ty and Klondike highways. Avalanche on the Canadian side previously closed the road. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.